Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this colorful smushy and nail stamp nail design. So I'm going to start off with my clear jelly stamper and I'm going to apply different colors onto it. This is a quick and simple smushy nail design to do. I'm adding a lot of neon colors, but you can add any color combos that you want. Add as many as you want to because I'm really going crazy with the smushy. Then using my other nail stamper, I'm just going to, of course, smush the colors together to create a nice, pretty design. And I'm going to place it on white polish. I'm doing the white polish because I want you to be able to see the colors pop. And as you can see, I stamped a lot on my nails just so that I can get a pretty, nice design. Then as you can see, I'm using my Cici and Sisi '01 nail plate. I'm going to apply black and white polishes onto this floral nail design. I just thought it looked so pretty. I had first applied the black on its own, and I just thought the black was just kind of blah. So I said, you know what? Let me add white on top of it. It's a cool double stamp look, and it just came out so pretty. As you can see, I blended the colors so that the colors could be more opaque and make it pop more. And I applied it right on my nails. Take your time doing this. It's not easy doing a double stamp design. You have to make sure that you're able to put the design exactly on top of it or you'll ruin it. But once I was done with it, I just love this look. As you can see, I removed the liquid latex, cleaned around my nails, and I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope you liked this video. I hope I showed you something new. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.